for speed. Oh. This man got a smoke problem. Ain't that crazy? I ain't got that going on here yet.
Only you can prevent wildfires.
I got a McLaren. Alright, so I don't know if you can really see me, but we about to head to, we got 3 spots to hit. See if the night crowd is out right now. It's a nice little car scene at nighttime. I got a McLaren behind me. Okay, I see the McLaren out. Okay. See if we can get a little bit of something going. The McLaren, that must sound pretty good. Sound pretty smooth. Nah, she ain't want to race. I'm feeling a little need for speed. Oh. She feels so good. This man got a smoke problem. Ain't that crazy? I ain't got that going on here yet.
Only you can prevent wildfires.
I got a McLaren. Hey, she gonna let me do it, or she gonna just pull up to him and be nice? I don't have no lane to really get in there, so I'm just gonna come in the back. Stay in the back until I get a nice little lane in front of me. Oh, is she trying to do something? I love it, you know, something that McLaren got. But I'm riding with my broski. He got the GTR, so it's me and the GTR right now. But I'm about to go ahead and enjoy this ride. Let's get it. Nice ride, night ride. Got the broski in the GTR. Got the C6. A little American versus Japan going on. I ain't with them yet, but I will be. Let me get my heads in cam and order some tires, and we'll have more fun with them. But of course, man, like I told you, I'm addicted. Use these paddle ships. Let's do a quick little pull right here. That was decent. That was decent. A little decent. Let's get it. Alright, man. Damn, car got a little thirsty on me, man. So we put some 93 in there. Eventually, not right now, we're gonna get her on E85, and we'll turn the name into the Corvette instead of the Corvette. But until then, she's taking 93. Cause my man behind me, that's my brother-in-law. He a mechanic, so he know all about that. All right, we got a BMW. Hold on. Oh, that was fun. That was fun. I just walked up on a Chevy SS. It was cammed up, and we was racing with a BMW. So that shit was pretty dope. All right, we pulling up to the first spot right now. Let's see, we got some cars in here. If we do, yeah, I think we got some action. Hopefully cops don't shut it down. So, man, I love that wind deflector, man. Yeah, man. Oh man, little freeway fun, man. You know, a couple guys just meet up here, chill.
The emblem is too dark. Some guys. That's cool. Yeah. It's better than the other way around. Yeah, it is. They hop up, give a handshake, kiss on the lips.
We got kicked out of that spot. Cop was cool as hell though, man. He just said that somebody messed it up. Some Mopar guys. I asked him. I said, was it a Mopar or somebody? He said somebody was burning out over there a couple weeks ago, and now that store doesn't even want nobody over there. So we about to head to another spot and see if they over there. So I see y'all. So we got a couple guys with us though, man. Still getting the GTR and somebody in the 300. It's a Hellcat Durango and M4 competition, and I think it's some other guys. So we all head to the next spot. So I'll see y'all then. To the next spot, man. Man, my mirrors is dirty, man. But we got a couple guys back there. Turn that loud thing down. God damn it. Loud ass GTR. Man, it was nowhere near decent as far as a turnout for the car meets. Sometimes, man, you get like a nice group, nice crowd, like a whole parking lot full of cars, everybody just chilling. A cop did pull up on us at one of the spots that was jumping like 2 weeks ago. He was real cool. Actually, he pulled me over last year. He was a cool cop. And he came, he was in an unmarked car, a regular ass F-150, and it had a student driver sticker on the back of it. So you would not have known he was a cop. And he just said, hey, he said, cool cars, guys. He said, but the business that's here, they don't want any cars there. So, you know, we had to leave there, man, and we came to this spot and nobody was here. So the car scene is getting a little bad, man. It's all because people doing burnouts like that right there. There's a place we in right now.
So don't blow it. Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
This place was a spot until they said no more because people burning out. So, hey, man, note to y'all car guys, man, stop burning the fuck out. Stop. Just stop. Chill the fuck out, man. Come, be civil. That way we can all have a place to just kind of meet and just be chill. All right, we driving home. That's a wrap for the night. I like going to these late night car meets because, you know, usually it's pretty cool people, smooth people that go to these things. A lot of cool cars that come out at nighttime. And usually it's a good crowd. Like, you know, usually the meets I go to, you know, it don't be rowdy, it don't be nothing going crazy. Like, it be pretty good people out there. So it's usually a good vibe. But unfortunately, the two places that we went to, they got shut down. The police came and said, because people keep burning out, you know, the owners don't want to deal with that type of crowd no more. And I get it, man. I understand it from a business standpoint. You don't want that type of crowd out there. But I really wish that, you know, the car community wasn't dying down like the way it is. And I wish that people would just learn how to go to a car meet, not show off. You know, we don't care that you can burn out. We don't care that your Hellcat can slide really good. Like, we don't really care about that. It'd be just nice to be able to come together and hopefully, you know, the cops don't, you know, shut it down or whatever. But, you know, it is what it is. You know, we've had some cops that have been really, really cool, man, that have just kind of rolled by with a whole bunch of cars in the parking lot and they leave. because it's not a problem. But the moment it becomes a problem, they get that phone call, and they shut the thing down. So, and I hate to be like this, right? I mean, I got a Dodge Durango. I got a Dodge myself. But, man, these Mopar guys, man, a lot of times people burning out and sliding and events get shut down is because of the Mopar guys, man. Like, y'all just be young kids in these Hellcats and Scats. And it's like, man, calm down. Like, the car does way more than just slide, you know. But they swear that all it does is burn out and slide. But that might be just my gripe that I got with Hellcat owners, young Hellcat owners and Scat Packs. But look, man, if y'all going to car meets, man, stop burning out, stop sliding, go to a drip track, show that off there, man. Somebody might actually be impressed by that. But anyways, other than that, man, that's a wrap for the night. About to go home, put this bad baby vet up. It's supposed to rain the next couple days, so I'm gonna go ahead and put her up, man, and I'm gonna drive the other daily driver. But until that, with that being said, I see y'all on the next video.